on or about the 14th day of April 2004.
Rashmi and Deepa Kamani, who were described as the beneficial owners of InfoTalent, are accused of receiving $500 million shillings from the government of Kenya without delivering services in a project codenamed E-Corps, as it was for the computerization of security, law and order systems and procedures for the Kenya Police. Chairman Lal Kamani was separately charged for fraudulently acquiring 121 million shillings from the Ministry of Finance through Second Day Corporation and Apex Finance Corporation on the pretext that they were able to provide credit to the government for purchase of security equipment and a modernization of police equipment and accessories project.
Credit to the government of Kenya for purchase of security equipment and the modernization of police equipment and accessories project. Is it true, Mr. Rashmi Kamani?
Not true.
Mr. Deepak Kamani?
Not true.
Mr. Chairman Lal Kamani?
Their lawyer Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi described the charges as small felonies and that the matter should be before the commercial courts and not the anti-corruption court, as it was a contractual dispute.
Probably my learned friend at the right time will agree that this matter will be transferred to the commercial court rather than be tried as a criminal. But the substratum really is a contract. And then we are agreeing that all the particulars, all the evidence, all the documents that the prosecution will rely to prove the allegations they are referring against the accused be supplied to us.
Director of Public Prosecutions Keriako Tobiko, however, disagreed with Ahmed Nasir, saying that the 40 million euros is an earth-shaking amount of money and that the accused were properly before the anti-corruption court, given the fraud underpinning the charges against them. He also opposed Abdullahi's application that Rashmi and Chairman Lal Kamani be exempted from depositing their passports at the court, given that Rashmi lives in Dubai and Chairman Lal needs medical care in India.
The huge sums of money involved. Your Honor is quite familiar that in the context of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, the penalties should the accused persons be found guilty would include, be calculated based on the quantum, the amount alleged to have been misappropriated.
She did, however, grant the release of the three accused on bond, with Chairman Lal being given the option to pay 10 million shillings in bond or an alternative cash bail of 2 million shillings, while Deepak and Rashmi were ordered to pay either 20 million shillings in bond or 4 million shillings in cash bail each to secure their release.
Each accused will execute personal bond 10 million with one surety to right amount or remanded in custody, just like their colleagues yesterday. The defense to be given access to all the witness statements and any other documentary exhibits. Each accused will also deposit their travel documents into court.
They are scheduled to appear before the Anti-Corruption Court for a mention on the 18th of March, when Sounday, Apex Finance and InfoTalent have been summoned to take their pleas. Lilian, GBS News.